Did you know that a 2017 report by the McKinsey Global Institute projects that by 2030, over 15% of the global workforce will be displaced? That's over 400 million workers worldwide. Business and technology go hand in hand. With technology changing every day, it's very important to keep up to date on the newest trends. After researching, I found that the innovations that are changing the business world can seem complex and daunting. Being knowledgeable about new business practices is important for both businesses and employees. Having this knowledge will prove to be an important asset in your professional development. This will keep you ahead of the curve and enable you to make informed decisions. Please allow me for the next few minutes to present and inform you on these three workforce issues that affect it today. The topics will include artificial intelligence, diversity in the workplace, and the automation of jobs. Let's begin by discussing how the artificial intelligence is impacting the workplace. What is AI and how does it play a role in business today? According to an article on Brookings.edu by Daryl M. West in 2018, opinion surveys show that even top business leaders lack a detailed sense of AI, and that many ordinary people confuse it with superpowered robots or hyperintelligent devices. AI works by using algorithms and reaches real time decisions based on that data. AI has a lot of different uses in business, such as automating repetitive tasks. It can even be used in marketing, to where it categorizes audiences and personalizes advertisements to them. As you can see, AI technology is very much alive in every aspect of today's business. According to an article on shrm.org, written by Alan Smith, 2019, AI can even be used in hiring. It can be used to send targeted jobs to people who are not actively seeking work, and it can analyze candidates in a pool to find the best candidate. The biggest threat to businesses using AI in their hiring practices is discrimination. An excerpt from an article previously cited by Alan Smith states, if data is tainted by historical biases, the algorithms may reflect these biases and disadvantage some candidates. A way that companies can combat this flaw is to use AI to catch keywords and phrases in job descriptions that may discourage applicants of a protected status from applying. With a better understanding of AI's impact on the workforce, let us now look at the growing impact of diversity issues. Diversity in the workplace isn't always based on race. It can be based on socioeconomic, gender, and educational differences among staff, as explained in an article on Forbes.com by Mir Shimla in 2018. Diversity in the workplace is extremely important. Different views and ideas are essential to having a healthy and thriving business. A diverse workplace brings about different ideas and creativity, along with having multiple voices instead of just one for your business. Relatability will make your business attractive. Seeing that you have different employees of different backgrounds will bring you more business and benefit customers and employees with their own needs. This will also give you more candidates to choose from in your hiring process. You can go on for days about how good diversity is for your business, but achieving it in your work comes with its own unique set of challenges. Even with the great effort it takes, implementing hiring practices that stay in compliance with federal laws is hard. Bias will always be a factor to consider in your human capital decisions. According to the BLS.gov, a 2018 study revealed that employed Black and Hispanic men were more likely than white and Asian men to work in production, transportation, and material moving occupations. Automation is one of the many threats that inadvertently causes disparities in the workforce diversity. This brings us to our last topic, Job automation. The Oxford Dictionary defines automation as the technique of making an apparatus, process, or a system operate automatically. Automation has many advantages, as explained by Quillen Ellingard in a 2018 Forbes.com article. It increases productivity by spending less time on repetitive tasks. There will always be new learning for each new innovation, so it creates higher job satisfaction. It also makes the work more engaging. It also has its disadvantages. It causes job loss. For example, in the trucking industry, self-driving trucks are a real threat to the current jobs. It adversely affects blue-collar workers in support roles. These roles are often low-paying, low-skill roles. In the end, it does create the opportunity for professional and educational growth, creating new career paths for what was once a dead-end job. Here at the end of my presentation, I'd like to take a few moments to review a few key points. Today, I have spoken with you about diversity in the workplace, automation of jobs, and AI. I highlighted issues we will all face in today's workforce. The most important takeaway from this is, even though the business world is changing and evolving rapidly, you can keep up with these new business trends easily. Abraham Maslow once said, "In any given moment, we have two options: to step forward into growth or to step back into safety." Now that you have the knowledge of these three topics, take it and tackle these workforce issues with the capability and confidence of an informed business professional.